most people have searched on Google how to make money online. The question is, why is it that most things they show you, you find that there are things which are not practical, there are things which are hard to understand? Why? Let's talk about that in this video in just a few minutes. Number one, the reason to why you search things on Google and they bring you things that are hard for you to understand is entirely because of different economies that we are playing in. If you're in Africa, if you're in Uganda, and you search on Google how to make money online, yes, they are going to give you things. But remember, most people who write this content, they are Americans. Now, because they are Americans, they write things according to the way how the American economy is. And guess what? Now, I'm not saying that everything that is online is from America, but you'll also realize that the bigger percentage of the content that we consume on Google is an American company, and they have a duty to promote their own. So you realize that most of the content will be coming from the US, will be coming from Europe, from these developed countries. And guess what? The information they will give you, they will not give you the business dynamics according to the way how things are done here. They will give you according to the way how things are done there. And the difference is so huge because the economies are completely different. We are poor, they are so rich, and for them, the way how they'll talk about affiliate marketing. You'll be like, what is that? Here, we do not even have a system that supports affiliate marketing that is clear. You get the point. So it's a hard concept to bring here. They'll tell you things that are extremely hard, but that does not mean that here there are no people making money online. There are people who are making money online. I'm one of the people who have used these digital platforms to help clients to help people to get clients, and also to get clients for myself. And guess what? The truth of the matter is, there are things that work here that you will not get on Google, and all you need is to get them from someone who has done them, especially people like us who have been doing digital marketing for a while. Therefore, I'm asking you to follow .com Thinkers for more videos about the things that will work for you, for more information about things that will really help you to understand how to do business online here. Thank you so much.